Greetings, Felix Fortuna, just a caveman living in a modern cave, and as caveman we notice patterns in the night sky, and this is kind of that. This is from the 5th century BC, Heracles, Athena, Iolaus, and the Hydra. And this one is from the 6th century BC. It is Heracles, Iolaus, and the Hydra, and as you can see, Heracles is cutting the heads, Hercules is bashing them, and the little fire down there. And here is Hydra, as you can see, with Corvus, Crater, Virgo, Spica, Leo on the back of Hydra, Regulus in the mouth right next to Cancer. As you can see, it's pretty interesting. And we'll point out Bootes and Arcturus and Coma Berenices. And of course, Ursa Major, the Big Dipper. Here is Hydra again with Corvus and Crater. And this is the Milky Way, as you can see, and he's pretty cool. The next image will be from John McHugh, the Mesopotamian stellar tableau that may have inspired Revelation 12, 1-6, European Journal of Science and Theology, December 2020. And as this is from Babylonian Star Atlas, this is Hydra with Corvus, Leo, and pregnancy goddess of Leo's tail, plus Coma Berenices, plus Western Virgo. As you can see, the date frond right there in the holding the tail, and that's that. And we can read the description. This is the same thing as from John McHugh. As you can see, the cuneiform, but as a caveman, I can't get this better, man. I'm just a caveman. But these are the signs. Then we'll go to this one, the Gis Ana Gisamir. It's the same thing, Hydra, Corvus, Leo, and the date frond and the pregnancy goddess. And here's what it all means in figure 3, the opening words, Revelation. And this is the same thing, Dengir, Moose, Hus, Dengir Usom. It's both related to Hydra, the red dragon, the horned serpent, and as you can see, it's Hydra with Corvus, Leo, and the pregnancy goddess. And here is Hydra with the stars mapped out. You see Corvus crater. Here's the ecliptic, Virgo, and Leo right here, and that would be Regulus, and that would be Spica. And all these stars have names that mean incredible things, but there's that. And here's another image of Hydra, and as you can see, the feet of Leo right on the back, and Virgo, and you can see how close Virgo and Leo actually are. And that's the Argo Navis, so if you missed the boat, that's what you missed the boat. And we have this old image again. And here's a good image of Hydra, Corvus, Credo, Virgo, and Leo, and you can see how close the feet are. But that's sextants, and that's modern. I only follow Ptolemy's original 48. Of course, Argo Navis and Cancer, and the ecliptic. And I like this one with Hydra, Bootes stretching to the north, Centaur, Argo Navis. Look this up yourself. You never know what you'll find.